My bad, y'all. I'm pantsless, but.
Put your head on my shoulder.
Hey, y'all. It's Crystal Jade.
Hi, stranger.
Back with another video, and I know I uploaded a video last week, but that was an old video, so it's been a long time since I've spoken to you guys. But this video isn't really a life update type of video. Yes, I will give you guys insight on my last few weeks, but if you guys want a separate video of my life update, please let me know. Most likely I'll still do it and show you guys, because you guys, like I said in past videos, are my diary, and I like to share shit with you guys, you feel what I'm saying? And so today's video is really just gonna be a room tour. I know I already did a room tour, but I told you guys I was going to do a decorated room tour, and I finally finished decorating my room like last week. Actually not yesterday, because some new decorations had came in. So I'm gonna be showing you guys how I decorated my room, you feel what I'm saying? And yeah, just a short life update. Even though I said this wasn't going to be a live update video, what I meant was it's not going to be a long ass live update video, because my intros be long as fuck because of my live updates. Basically, I just got home from another picnic. We have a lot of picnics in finance, and it was really fun actually. It was really cool. We watched people get pie smacked in their face, get ice water dumped on them. That was pretty fun. And I'm going to New Mexico next week to see my man. Last week I was really heartbroken about niggas, multiple niggas actually.
I can't talk right now. I'm doing hot girl shit.
And that's for a whole different video. Sometimes I don't even feel like talking about that shit. Sometimes I feel like some information is better left unsaid, honestly, because I don't know who's fucking watching my videos. I don't know who's on my channel. And you know, I've been learning a lot with work. Finances, they said it's gonna get hard. They like to scare us new people apparently. But finances has actually been getting really easy. I don't take my classes until September, but I've been learning new stuff, learning how to do paperwork and everything, and it's actually been pretty easy. I thought I was gonna screw shit up. I thought I was gonna have a hard time, but lately it's been pretty easy. No jinx, because I know the universe likes to throw shit at my face. So hopefully it doesn't get harder. I like my job. It's pretty cool. I don't like the schedule. I don't like working 5 days a week, okay, because everybody else and their mama got hella off days. And I don't like the base. Like I said a million times before, it's way too big. I still don't got a car. I plan on getting one by the time the year ends, because I hate asking people for shit as it is, because I like to do shit on my own. Whenever I ask people to give me rides, they act like they don't want to hang out with me. They act like they don't want to drive me nowhere. And so I can understand when people tell me the reason, like, you know, they have classes that day or they have some shit to do that day, but for you to just tell me that you just don't want to do it kind of makes me think that you're rude.
You're old, you know.
Okay, I'm gonna just keep it like that. But let me know if you guys like these type of videos. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Leave nice supportive comments in the comment section. Tell me how y'all are, and of course like the video, comment, share, subscribe, click the bell icon to get notification every time I post a brand new video. And let's just get started. Y'all, my contact is fucking tweaking right now, but we're gonna start right here. I have these little fake ice cubes. They're really cute. I have this light up cloud. It's supposed to light up. And then I have this "you are the icing to my cupcake" little plaque thing that my best friend gave me. A picture of me that I don't fucking like. And then I have this little scent boiler. I know I'm fucking wrong. I don't know how to say that, but it basically boils wax and makes your room smell good. And the nigga downstairs that I may or may not have told y'all that I talked to kind of bought that for me. And then I have a Marilyn Monroe poster here. I didn't put it on my walls because it wasn't no space, so I just put it here, and it keeps fucking undoing. Like, the fuck? Like, this tape is supposed to be duct tape, but it's not even that strong. Then I got these little tiny photograph things from Shein actually, and I just put it right there. I have tapestry that I got from Shein and Amazon, and I put some on my walls and some on my ceiling. And then of course, I don't know if you guys seen this before, but I have the two skeletons kissing tapestry thing that I put on my wall. Yes, I'm weird. I like skeletons and I like romance. So yeah. And then I have these little vintage newspaper type things that I put on my wall, artistry type things that I put on my wall. I don't know what to call this shit. And this been in my room since like literally the first day I got here. It's just pictures of me and my friends. This came in the mail like a few weeks ago. Picture of me and a picture of me and my parents, and of course the artistry type things that I put on my wall. I sound so uneducated right now, I swear. But I put these little raindrop thingies on my ceiling or on top of my door or whatever, and they was longer to begin with, but that shit kept tangling up, and me being me, I got fucking anger issues. I ripped that shit up, and so they became short. But honestly, I feel like if they were longer, they would have been annoying me, because I'm just gonna be like passing through here and it's just gonna be getting all tangled and shit, and I don't like that. So, and then I have these little butterfly stickers I put on my wall, the artistry things. And then I have this little painting. It's a painting from a long time ago. I honestly forgot what it was called. I know what that one down there is called though, but I forgot what this one was called, but it was cute, so I just got it. Photo collage. These are really cute, you know. I know y'all see these on like social media, TikTok, stuff like that. And then here is where it all gets weird. I crowded my wall, okay, because I'm extra. Like travel stickers up on here, you know, posters I got from Shein. And then I put like this little iMessage thing going on right here. It says, hey, I miss you. And I don't know, I feel like my room kind of represents my mind. I don't know. Like, you know, if you're gonna live somewhere, make it your own, you feel what I'm saying? Like I said, this painting is called A Starry Night, and yeah, I thought it would match my room real well, so I put it there. You know, I got the blue blanket right here, blue pillows, because I was going for a blue vibe. There's still pops of red in my room and pops of green, pink, whatever, but I was going for a blue vibe. Like right here, it says good vibes only, and please ignore my fucking bed. It's not dead right now. I'd never do my bed.
The things I put on this channel are so fucking embarrassing.
But you know, blue vibe going on. I put clouds on my ceiling. This cloud was really cute. I got it from Amazon. It's actually a kit you can make. It used to light up, but for some fucking reason it doesn't light up anymore, so I'm just like, okay. And here's my bike. Even my bike is blue. Oh, you got the little Among Us bear laying on the ground. Oh my gosh. Hello. You know, as usual, more skeletons, more vintage newspaper photo collage that I have on my wall. And then of course a Billie Eilish poster, you know, the queen herself.
Better lock your phone.
The artistry little photo collage thingies on my wall. I just put it everywhere. Oh yeah, and I forgot to show you guys this little flower thing. I don't know what the fuck I'm talking about. Like, I don't know what any of this shit is called, but it's in my room and it's really weird. I have one of this octopus toys. I got it from the mall, and it actually is really cool. If you guys, you could like literally flip it to make it mad, and then you could flip it to make it happy again. Then I put the happy one on my desk right here, but I mean, I be forgetting to change it when I'm mad, because I was planning on changing the octopus to my mood, you feel what I'm saying? Like when I'm happy, I make him happy, and when I'm mad, I make him mad. Honestly, that just reminds me, whenever I get mad again, I'm not mad right now, surprisingly, but whenever I get mad again, I'm finna flip it. But what else did I not show y'all here? I mean, it's kind of dry right here. We got Alexa, we got my speaker, the Galaxy light projector here. I recommend you guys get that. It's really cool. You know, I have my LED lights up. Hold on, let me turn them on for y'all real quick. You feel what I'm saying? I put them up myself. I was gonna make a YouTube video, but I feel like it would get too hectic. Yeah, I was surprised that I ain't blow a fucking fuse, because me being me, I doubt myself a lot. I thought that I was gonna need someone's help, but you know, me being me also, I don't like asking for help, and I like to do shit on my own. So yeah, that's that. And then you already know my TV, you know, my parents shipped it a few weeks ago. And let's go into this room over here. That randomly came with me for whatever reason. That's a baby picture of me. I put that up there. And I have like poetry all over my walls. Of course, a poster of Chicago. I look at it when I miss home. Vintage photo collage that was also in there. And then a lot of these poetry, deep, they talk about love, and I don't know, I love it. Then of course I got a little plug-in thing right here. And I also have a plug-in scent, but it's pumpkin and it's not fall yet, so I plan on putting it into the plug-in when it's fall, so it can smell like pumpkins in here, and you know, kind of enhance the fall vibe. And my bad y'all, I'm pantsless, but yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. So, and then I also have some sushi magnets on my refrigerator, and my dishes that my parents sent me up on here, more poetry up on here. And then I really love this poster. It says Lucky Goddess right here. We got an astronaut poster, and then we got like this really motivational poster. It says, they whispered to her, you cannot withstand the storm. I am the storm, she whispered back. Then just below that and above that, more poetry, photo collage type things. And I forgot to show you guys my ceiling, because I did put shit on my ceiling. I put that photograph things that I got from Shein on my ceiling. And then this poster I really love. It says now or never with a statue with tattoos. It's really cute. Y'all listen, y'all know that motivational poster I showed y'all down there? Tell me why they sent me like 2 of them. And so I just put it on my roof, I guess, you know. And then a roller coaster poster. We got a girl smoking right here. And then we got Mona Lisa. You know I like Mona Lisa. And then Mona Lisa sucking on a lollipop. I don't know how to say it. Then we got this poster right here. It says I need more space. You also have this poster here. It says get naked. I don't fucking know. When they come in my room to do room inspections, because they do that on occasions, even if we are operational, they finna be like, what the hell? Anyways, yeah, and then the rest of my posters, it says Route 66. And then we have if she's mad, kiss her. If you love me, let me know. I ordered all this shit for a reason. Like I said, my room is a representation of my mind. You know, motherfuckers be loving me and don't let me know. So you already know my cupboard and stuff. My parents also sent me some Mrs. Fields cookies. And they've been sending me those since I was in Mississippi because I be craving them like a bitch. And no, I'm not pregnant yet. I'm joking, but here's my kitchen towel. It says wake up and smell the coffee. And we're gonna go in my bathroom. And y'all, I'm fucking scared because there's like literally a fucking bug on the fucking floor. If y'all don't see that. Ugh. I literally sprayed water on it 1,000 times yesterday and it didn't die. So y'all probably like, why don't y'all just pick it up off the floor? I don't fucking know. I'm scared, okay? I don't pick bugs up off the floor by myself, if that makes sense. I just feel like somebody gotta come up in here and help me with that. But yeah, I put a rug up in here. And my mom sent me my little unicorn robe. For whatever reason that shit broke and now I'm just blue as fuck. And then I finally got a plunger because I didn't have one to begin with. And then I got a little shower rack here. Yeah, the bathroom isn't really that decorated because I do share it with my sweet maid and stuff. So I don't really know if she wants to decorate it. I don't know how she wants to decorate it. So yeah. And basically that is all. That is all for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave nice supportive comments. Tell me how was y'all day. Let me know what you guys want to see next. Let me know if y'all like these type of videos. Please engage with my videos, and if you did like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe, leave a comment if y'all want, click the bell notification every time I post a brand new video, and I will see y'all in the next one. Bye.
Angels like you.